This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Listen, GME redesigned their investor website. Okay? The GameStop investor website has been redesigned. And do I think it's a coincidence that it's done before this earnings report that's coming out on the 26th? I don't think so. I believe that GME has really big announcement and they want the investor base more engaged in GME. You guys saw the price rising after the market closed on Friday. And everyone knows that Ryan Cohen has been making moves, whether it's with Bitcoin, whether it's with Alibaba, whether it's with a few other companies that I've been seeing. It tells me that something big is on the horizon for GME. And in order for them to get the investor base more engaged, I believe that is the reason why they redesigned the investor website. Bottom line is this. The bad actors who've been naked shorting GME over the last 4 to 5 years have to know that the scheme, well, it's a Ponzi scheme because they keep creating new shares to cover the old shares to keep the price from running. That's what they're doing. I mean, everybody knows they're doing it. The SEC knows, the DOJ knows, the FBI knows, and they do absolutely nothing about it. But here's the thing. Retail investors buying up GME. Institutions buying up GME. Why? Because they know that with that level of cash in the war chest and Ryan Cohen, who has a history of taking struggling companies and making them profitable, like he did with Chewy, tells me that something major is on the horizon for GameStop. I even picked up some more call options on Friday because I believe, and this is just my opinion, I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell GME, but I believe that GME is going to make some major announcements that's going to send that stock price running, and a lot of the naked shorters are going to be trying to get out the play as fast as possible, but a lot of them will not be able to get out, and they are going to get destroyed. Okay? We can't count on the SEC, the DOJ, or the FBI to enforce the rules of the market to save us from all the fraud and corruption, but liquidity running out or great investment decisions by Ryan Cohen and maybe a court in a civil lawsuit, I think it's going to bring us closer to justice, because what they've been allowed to do in our stock market over the last 5 years is unconscionable. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think that GME upgraded, redesigned the GME investor website because they got big news incoming and they want investors more engaged? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.